Got a minute? I'll explain backpropagation in neural networks. The way we learn is by keeping track of our mistakes. We keep track of the last activation of the neuron so that we can check it against what it should have been. Remember, a layer is just a bunch of neurons. Forwarding the input means putting the input into each neuron in the layer. Layers forward, networks forward entire layers, one by one. So with backpropagation, we forward through the whole neural network. Once we reach the end, figure out the error, then you backpropagate the error, then you update the weights. So the target is what it should have gotten. This is the training data. When you calculate the error on each neuron, you check to see what they got and subtract it from the target, which will tell you how far off you are. When you backpropagate errors, you go through each layer, taking the error from the next layer and moving it backwards one layer. Go through each neuron. The neuron accepts errors from all neurons in the layer before it. That's what all these graphs mean, is you can see each neuron communicating with the next neurons in the next layer, each one connecting with every single other one. When you update the weights, each weight really just accumulates some cost, so we decrease the cost by the error. This is what is known as gradient descent. Learning rate is the size of the incremental step. The error is the combined wrongness of the previous layers against our last activation. I don't know if you know backpropagation now, but you know about backpropagation. Go train some brains.